Mainit na pinag-uusapan ngayon ang nag-uumapaw na kaseksihan ng kapamilya star na si Cathryn Bernardo. Ito ay kaugnay sa naging mainit na dance performance ng dalaga sa nagdaang Superbuds 2024 Finals. Nitong Martes, July 9, nagkalat sa social media ang ilang mga larawan maging ang mga video clips kung saan makikita ang super hot dance performance ni Cathryn na talagang nagpawaw sa madlang dabarkads. Marami rin sa mga madlang dabarkads ang talagang napahanga at sinabing simula nang maging single ang dalaga ay tila mas naging komportable ito sa kanyang sarili. Samantala, ibinahagi naman ni Cathryn sa kanyang speech na ang kanyang best version ng sarili ay nagsisimula sa kanyang growth bilang tao. To become the best version of ourselves, it comes with growth, for me, as long as you have awareness and the willingness to grow every day, sabi ni Cathryn. Pagpapatuloy pa ni Cathryn, I believe in the 1% habit, like every day you try to be 1% better, you can't do anything overnight, so 1% progress. Super proud din naman ang kanyang ina na si Mommy Min sa nagliliyab na performance ng kanyang anak na kahit sexy ay talagang elegante pa ring panuorin. Congratulations anak, so proud beyond words, sabi nito sa kanyang Instagram post kalakip ang naging performance ni Cathryn. Nagpasalamat rin si Mommy Min sa mga taong nagpakita at patuloy na nagbibigay suporta sa kanyang anak. Thank you so much to everyone who was there to support and guide Cath. Grabe ang hard work and preparation mo for this. Anak, na-test na naman ang self-control and disiplina mo, dagdag pa nito. Bukod kay Cathryn, present rin sa Superbuds 2024 sina Marian Rivera at Pia Wurtzbach. Samantala, hindi naman ito ang unang pagkakataon na nag-perform ng sexy dance ang kapamilya actress dahil nag-viral rin ang dalaga matapos ang kanyang water performance ilang buwan matapos silang maghiwalay ni Daniel Padilla.
And multi-talented friend of ours, Miss Cathryn Bernardo. Woman with a mission. Good evening, Cath. We say hello, love again to you.
Hello again.
Hello.
Go in the middle.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. Okay, your performance was spectacular.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you. You as well. So, I have to know, how long did it take to perform? To prepare for the performance?
Actually, I started preparing for that prod, I think, last week, but then G-Force, headed by Ritz, he was preparing for it, I think, for like a month.
Oh my gosh.
And then they were very patient, so I'd like to thank Teacher Jersel and G-Force for being so supportive. And of course, the preparation for the body, it took months of preparation. Ever since I did the TVC, I continued working out with my trainer, which is Mauro Lumba. I think he is here. He is the Superbod 2014
Right.
winner.
Oh.
He's been very patient as well, so shout out to my trainer.
Oh, there he is.
Time
Hi,
to
Coach.
eat, papi. So yeah, marami. So FG Force for the dance, and then Mauro for to prepare my body, and also lots of activities maybe.
And also your diet. Every single day, Century Tuna.
Oh.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Exactly. Healthy diet, healthy and balanced diet, of course, with the help of Century Tuna. And yeah, after this event, I know what to eat now. Everything is ready, and I'll just reward myself after this.
We all know the preparations. We've been talking about it
Yeah.
backstage. Now, Kath, you are gracing the finals night stage. In your own opinion, how can someone be their best you ever versions of themselves?
I think to become the best version of ourselves, it comes with growth. And ang galing because the campaign for Century Tuna, it's just so empowering to be part of a movement like this. And for me, as long as you have awareness and you have the willingness to grow every day, I think that itself, it's parang being the best version of yourself. And for me, I believe in the 1% habit. I don't know if you're familiar with
What
the
is
1%.
the 1% habit?
Like every day, you try to be a 1% better.
Ah, yes.
Oh.
I heard it on a podcast,
Yeah,
actually.
from
I love
Atomic
it.
Habits. So I
Yes.
just keep that in mind every day that you can't do anything overnight. So 1% progress, little wins, little progress, and you give yourself a few months and maybe a few years or maybe a year, and then you'll see a huge difference. But basta you have to keep in mind na it won't happen overnight. Just
Yes.
baby steps.
I think it's being patient and persistent and not giving
Exactly.
up, right?
Yep.
Oh, I love it. We got queens right here on the stage. Well, is it safe to say, Kat, that we're looking at the best version of yourself right now?
You know, to be honest, I think I'm a work in progress. Not yet, not yet.
Not yet.
But I try to be better every day. But I just turned 28 and I feel like ang dami pang mangyayari and I'm just open to change and transformation now. So I think I have the best family with me, which is Century Tuna, to support me as I become the best version of myself. So thank you to my Century Tuna family.
Great answer.
You know, I actually love that because when we're comfortable, sometimes we become complacent. So
Yeah.
you just always want to grow, and I can see that, and I think everybody else can see that as well.
Thank you. Thank you. I try.
Yes. I think you got another question, Arbany.
I do have one more question because you spoke about the campaign, and I heard it has been a dream of yours.
Yes.
To do the campaign. So how does it feel for that dream to really come true?
Like I said this from the event a few months ago. It has always been a dream of mine to be a Century Tuna ambassador, and now that I'm part of the Superbod, my 2024 started with doing the campaign with them, and it was so special. And then now we're here in the finals. It took months and months of preparation, and all I can say is that I'm very, very grateful. And I also want to congratulate all the participants. They've been working so hard. Some of them, alam ko na nakausap ko iba, they've been preparing for months, some of them for years, just for tonight. And lahat sila, winners. You can see their dedication and they inspire me as well. So congratulations to all our contestants. You all look beautiful and sexy tonight. And yeah, I'm just happy to be part of this movement.
Well, you have been inspiring everyone, including our Superbods backstage, including us right now on this stage. Do you have any message to all of our contestants, to our Superbods, and of course, to all of your fans globally?
Okay, first, I think I want to give my message muna to the contestants. Wow, what a journey. I saw all their activities online. Lahat ng ginagawa nila, of course, headed by our bosses from Century Tuna. And hindi biro yung pinagdaanan nila. So I want to personally thank them for their dedication. And this is it. Tonight is the night. This is their night. Andito lang ako to support them. I want to congratulate all of them. Win or lose, I think lahat tayo uuwi dito with a learning and newfound friendships, of course, new memories, and maybe a better version of ourselves. So thank you for allowing me to witness your journey. And ngayon pa lang, congratulations na. I'm excited to see kung sino yung magiging next Superbod. But before this day ends, thank you also for coming. Again, for welcoming me to the family. Thank you to our hosts, our judge. And yeah, congratulations and good luck, everyone.
A very good message from our very good girl. Thank you so much. Once again, put your hands together for Miss Catherine Bernardo.